gotta relax, you gotta relax. There you go. Sometimes you have to cut them in half because the roof is so long and curved, taking them out is not going to work the standard way. Okay, now. Open. You're going to have to move this because it's in my way now. Alright. Open. A lot of pressure. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Honey, you're moving your, don't move, you're moving your jaw. You can't move your jaw. Okay? See how long those babies are? Oh my God. You're very lucky. You are very lucky. Just relax, not a pressure. Very slow. Okay, give me a bumper.
Bumper?
Okay. Most of the time I use a diamond, but in her mouth I'm not. I'm just going to very slowly. Now again, I can use my fingers to do this, which is what I'm doing. I'm just letting the torque versus energy versus slowly moving my wrist. Lift your chin up, please. There you go. There you go. Slowly letting the torque build up, and now the tooth is starting to move. It just popped. Okay? We're going to go do the offset. Same thing. I'm just going to balance my finger here so I have better control. Again, I'm only going to use 2 fingers to take these teeth out. All in my wrist. My wrist controls everything. Honey, could you just lift your chin up, please? There you go. Reposition this because yeah, lift your chin up. There you go. See, I keep hitting your chest. There you go. There you go. There's 2. Tooth is out. Clean that off. Okay. On the lingual surface, I'm taking every one of these teeth out with 2 fingers. All I'm doing is just let that tooth just pop right out. Okay, you got it. Alright, let's keep moving on. There's a tooth here. My beak is grabbing the root surface. Again, it's out. There you go.
Tipping on 2, she's just a
You gotta move your hand so you get this in there. Same thing here. There's a tooth here. I'm on the root surface. I'm gonna go back to using 2 fingers. You sure you got the 2 fingers? Okay, that's so important. All I'm doing is using my wrist. Once I grab my, it's all on my wrist. Everything I do is wrist activated. If I squeeze or move my arm, I'm doing something wrong. That's why I'm using my fingers. I'm balancing the beak. My fingers are locked on. I'm using my wrist to go down. Strictly down. So we're doing just fine. Same thing on this tooth. As long as my beak. Now let's assume that this is all rotted. What I would do is take my little diamond and just go a little further down. Follow the tooth surface. That took about 2 seconds. Now we're going to go back, put the beak on. Actually, tooth is out. Same thing on this one. As long as I can grab that root surface, I can take it out up here, or I can go back and just use my two fingers, which is what I'm going to do. It's the torque that creates energy. That energy eventually makes that tooth move. Lift your chest, because I'm hitting your chest again. There it goes. And then last one. Same principle. Strictly wrist movement. You gotta move your hands. There you go. Balancing my beak, because there's not a lot of good root surface. And all I'm doing is moving my wrist down very slowly, building up some energy. There we go. And that tooth is out. And that tooth is out. So we're just going to take my round gears now and go back and take the teeth out. And in each instance, we've not touched the buccal bone, hurt the buccal bone, or broke the buccal bone. Last one. Now we're going to go back and smooth the gum down and sew it up. Open. And I'm going to brace the beak, because there's no other tooth. I'm just waiting for the energy to go out. Strictly wrist movement. My wrist controls the instrument. I'm going to use two fingers to show you how easy this really is. I'm just waiting for the energy to build up to move that root. First root is coming out. And it's all based on wrist movement. See, I sectioned it properly. Thank you. I'm gonna, again, I can use two fingers doing this. So why do I hold the beak? We're done. The tooth is out. That's how easy a very difficult extraction can be. If you understand the dynamics of the instrument and you understand physics.